Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today it's a baker's hack. What the heck's that? Yes, you guys have been asking for it. You say to me, Steve, we want to know how you make your chocolate fudge. Well, it's dead simple. Please subscribe and please share, and we'll get right on with the video. Right guys, and for the recipe you want 368 grams of baker's fondant. Also you want 80 grams of dark chocolate drops. The better quality the best. Now what we want to do now guys is pop it into a bowl or little pot, both together. Now you want to pop the bowl into the microwave. Now please keep an eye on it. You're only melting the chocolate down. Not so it's absolutely runny, but just enough to start it going. Once you've got to that point, whip it out of the microwave, give it a good stir around with a palette knife. And it's that simple. Just keep stirring and stirring until it all blends together. And if you want it a little bit darker, just add a little bit more chocolate. That's all you have to do. And that is your chocolate fudge. Now you can use this chocolate fudge in donuts, on top of cakes, inside cakes. You can stick the kitchen tiles on with this stuff if that's what you want to do. But that is as simple as it goes. If you want the fondant recipe to make your own fondant, you'll find it below in the description. But at the same time as you're doing the fondant, all you have to do to turn your fondant into chocolate is add chocolate to that fondant. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly in my next baker's hack or recipe or whatever I do. Laters!